Hello viewers, welcome to my channel ChemPhilly. I am Dr. Mala Das Sharma, a retired professor of St. Pius 10th Degree and PG College for Women, Hyderabad. Using the platform ChemPhilly, I am going to teach different topics of all branches of chemistry by adopting a self-designed innovative teaching methodology that is teaching chemistry through riddles. For this video number 6, the chosen topic is a heterocyclic compound. Discussion is made on the properties, structure and reactivity of the selected heterocyclic compound. The primary objective of making this series of videos is to generate interest in chemistry among the students. Hope students will enjoy. Now let's start riddle number 6. I look almost like benzene except for possessing an odd atom with unshared pair of electron in the ring. Proton does not have easy access to that unshared pair of electron. Though I am embedded with pi electron cloud like benzene, my ring hydrogen atoms are easily replaced by nucleophile, while electrophile can replace them only under drastic condition. So this is the riddle. Now the questions are, the primary question is, who am I? The other questions are, why can't I donate the electron pair of the odd atom to a proton easily? Third question, how can I attract nucleophile easily in the substitution reaction in spite of having delocalized pi electron? And the last question, mention the name of the popular nucleophilic substitution reaction of Me. Now guess the answer of the primary question. The primary question is, who am I? And the answer is pyridine. In this riddle or through this riddle, I am going to explain the structure of pyridine and then its nucleophilic substitution reaction and also the basic character of pyridine. Now, pyridine is a 6-membered ring-structured compound like benzene. Only difference is it has an odd atom in the ring which is nitrogen atom. Now, if you see the electronic configuration of carbon atom in the ground state, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2sp2. 2 p electrons are unpaired. And in the excited state, one of these 2s2 electron gets unpaired and promoted to the 2p. Say it is 2pz orbital, promoted to the one of the p orbital, say 2pz orbital. Now, this twice orbital and this 2p orbital, say it is 2px and 2py, they undergo sp2 hybridization and forms 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. Now, coming to nitrogen, the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and twice p3. Now here also this twice s orbital which contains a pair of electron and 2p orbitals, say px and py, they undergo sp2 hybridization and form 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. So now in pyridine molecule, each carbon atom as well as nitrogen atom is sp2 hybridized and have 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. Now, the carbon atom forms 2 sigma bond with other 2 carbon atoms, or 1 sigma bond with other carbon atom of the ring and 1 sigma bond with nitrogen atom, and the third sigma bond with the hydrogen atom by using the 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. Say for example, this carbon atom, it forms this sigma bond with this carbon atom and this sigma bond with this carbon atom using sp2 hybrid orbitals, and one of the sp2 hybrid orbitals overlap with the s orbital of hydrogen and form the sigma bond with hydrogen. But this carbon atom, it forms one sigma bond with carbon, one sigma bond with nitrogen and other sigma bond with hydrogen by using sp2 hybrid orbitals. Now coming to nitrogen atom, it forms 2 sigma bond with 2 ring carbon atom by using 2 sp2 hybrid orbitals, and the third sp2 hybrid orbital of nitrogen contains this lone pair of electrons, this pair of electrons. Okay. Now, after the formation of sigma bond, each carbon atom of the ring is left with one p orbital, say pz orbital, containing one unshared electron or single electron. Similarly, nitrogen atom also left with one p orbital with a single electron. This p orbital with the single electron, they overlap sidewise direction in both the direction, and form a delocalized pi electron cloud above and below the ring. So this is the structure of pyridine, that is 5 carbon atoms and 1 nitrogen atom in the ring, and this alternate pi bond, that means actually delocalized pi electron clouds. Now the molecule contains 6 pi electrons. 5 pi electrons from 5 carbon atoms and 1 pi electron from nitrogen. So it is aromatic sextet. It follows or it obeys Huckel's rule of aromaticity. What is Huckel's rule? Aromatic compound should contain 4n plus 2 pi electron. So 4n plus 2 is equal to 4 into 1 plus 2, 6 pi electrons like benzene. So it follows Huckel's rule and the pyridine is aromatic and having extra stability. Now pyridine is a weak Lewis base. If we see the resonating structures of pyridine, these are the polar resonating structure, and these are the polar resonating structures, and this is non-polar. Now in the resonating structures of pyridine, nitrogen atom has negative charge and ring carbon atoms have positive charge, especially in the 2nd, 4th and 6th position. As nitrogen atom carries a negative charge and the lone pair is completely available for protonation, pyridine is expected to be a very strong base. But actually, pyridine is less basic than alkyl amines. Now it is difficult to explain, but a possible explanation is like that. In alkyl amine, the nitrogen atoms are sp3 hybridized, and sp3 hybridization means S character is less. So lone pair of electron which is present in the sp3 hybrid orbital of alkyl amine, they are less strongly attracted by the nitrogen nucleus. But in pyridine, this nitrogen atom is sp2 hybridized, and you have seen that this lone pair of electron present in the sp2 hybridized orbital where S character is more. That means this lone pair is strongly attracted by nitrogen nucleus compared to alkylamine. Therefore, this lone pair of electrons are not easily available to proton. So, pyridine is a weak Lewis base. Now coming to the resonance structure of pyridine and reactivity towards the substitution reaction. So what we have observed that in the resonating structures of pyridine, negative charge is present on the nitrogen atom and positive charge is present on the carbon atom. That means the ring gets deactivated towards electrophilic substitution reaction. Therefore, this reactivity of pyridine towards electrophilic substitution reaction is much less than benzene and it is comparable to nitrobenzene because nitro group is a deactivating group. So, in presence of nitro group, that benzene ring gets deactivated towards electrophilic substitution reaction. So, nitrobenzene is very less reactive towards electrophilic substitution reaction. And the reactivity of pyridine towards electrophilic substitution reaction is comparable to nitrobenzene. And as the ring carbon atoms are positively charged, so pyridine undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction. And you have seen that the positive charge is present in second, fourth and sixth position. Therefore, nucleophile can easily attack at second, fourth and sixth position. And the nucleophilic substitution is less favored in third and fifth position, where directly positive charge is not present. Now, the position of this nucleophilic substitution of pyridine may also be considered from the point of view of the stability of the anion formed. See, if the nucleophile attack the pyridine ring at the fourth position, it will be similar to that of second and sixth position also. Then we see the resonating structures. Negative charge is coming here and then negative charge is coming to nitrogen and finally here. But if the nucleophile attack at the third position, then these are the resonating structure where no resonating structure has negatively charged nitrogen atom. But when the attack takes place in the fourth position or second or sixth position, one of the resonating structure contains negative charge on nitrogen atom. That means negative charge on electronegative atom and that structure is more stable. And therefore, this anion formed from this attack at fourth position is more resonance stabilized. And hence, nucleophilic substitution reaction in pyridine preferably takes place in second, fourth and sixth position. Now coming to Chichi-Babin reaction. One of the most important nucleophilic substitution reaction of pyridine is Chichi-Babin reaction, where pyridine reacts with sodamide and give 2-aminopyridine, that is the major product. To some extent, 4-aminopyridine is also formed. Okay, that means nucleophile attack at the second position. Now, this is the mechanism. Nucleophile is attacking here. This electron pair shifted to nitrogen. Then once again, it's coming back here and hydride is removed. So, finally, it forms the sodium hydride. 2-aminopyridine and sodium hydride. Now coming to the answers of other questions. Question number B or second question. Why can't I donate the electron pair of the odd atom to a proton easily? Already we have seen the lone pair of electron present in the sp2 hybrid orbital of pyridine has more s character than sp3 hybrid orbitals. Hence, they are relatively strongly attracted by the nucleus of nitrogen atom and cannot be donated to proton easily like aliphatic amine. Third question, how can I attract nucleophile easily in the substitution reaction in spite of having delocalized pi electron? In the resonance structure of pyridine, nitrogen atom acquires negative charge and the ring carbon atom acquires positive charge. Hence, hydrogen atom attached to the ring carbon atom can be substituted by the nucleophile, or nucleophile can easily attack to the positively charged ring carbon atom. Last question, mention the name of the popular nucleophilic substitution reaction of Me. The answer is Chichi-Babin reaction. So, this was the riddle number 6, and your comments and suggestions will be highly appreciated.